Hello student, how are you? How was going? I come back to teach you a new lessons. Bring your book, open page number 28. Okay students, open page 28, grade 5. How are you? How was going? I will explain a new topic. Bring pencil and notebook. Be careful because today we have a very interesting topic which will be human's body system, our body system. Okay, students, please be careful. Look at the page 28, human's body systems, from cells to systems. Students, have you ever think about how our body works, how our system work together? How you have you ever think about that? Imagine, and you should think how our body work. Now I will tell you and I will teach you how our body and how our systems work together and keep our alive. Okay, so look at the page 28, humans body systems. From where? From cells to systems. The tissue you observed in the previous investigation combine in a various ways to form a body organs. We talk about the how the tissues are combined together. Some same cells combine together and make a tissue, and some tissue combine together and make an organs. Okay, so certain organs work together to form a body system, and some organ, for example, our eyes and our brain, and for example our hair and our cavity, all of them are, and that organs make it together and form a body system. Okay, form a body system. Each body system has a specific task. Each one, in for example, look at this picture. Each one, for example, this one here, and that is the red blood cells. Each one, look at here, each body systems has a specific task that helps keep you alive. Each one have a specific task to to help us keep alive, and animals also. But your body systems also work together, and all systems are work together to help us alive, our system and organisms, for example animal and human, on its own. A single body system cannot keep you alive. Only one, for example, imagine, for example, only your hair cannot human keep alive. Only one systems. Okay, should all of them work together? Okay, should all of them are work together to keep alive humans or animals. Okay, but a single body system cannot keep you alive. Only one cannot keep you alive. Okay, without the other systems, should all of them work together. Okay, a single body system cannot keep you alive. Okay, for example, our respiratory system, okay, cannot only your respiratory system keep you alive. Okay, should all systems work together to help you be alive. Okay, so for example, the digestive system that contain our trachea and stomach and the intestine that contain a digestive system. For example, breaks down a food in your stomach, breaks down a food into nutrients, okay, the body needs for energy. Our digestive system, okay, breaks down food into nutrients the body needs for energy. While you doing a work, you need that energy that a digestive system break down to a small molecules called nutrients, okay? But without the circulatory system, the nutrients couldn't travel to the part of the body that need them. While your digestive system, students, be careful. Let me make it clear that how the system work together. For example, our digestive system. Look at here. The function of the digestive system break down the food. Okay, then but without the circulatory system. But without circulatory system, the nutrients couldn't travel to the part of the body. Without circulatory system, that nutrients couldn't travel to other part, okay, that need them. The circulatory system also delivers the oxygen, okay, oxygen needed to release energy from food. However, without the respiratory system, look student, without respiratory system, oxygen, okay, without our respiratory system, that oxygen breathe in and carbon dioxide breathe out, okay, without respiratory system, oxygen couldn't get into the circulatory system. That's why should all organisms and all systems work together, and all body process produce wastes that must be removed. While the organism work, then the wastes in this process, the wastes should be removed in our body. Okay, for example, carbon dioxide and our wastes in stomach by a big intestine, large intestine should remove it, okay, should remove it. The excretory system or excretory or respiratory system share this function, okay, to remove wastes in our body with transportation provided by the circulatory system, okay. That's why, as I told you, all systems should work together. Let me show you in this. Look at here, students. This is our body systems. For example, look at here. This is skin's health system. That one. And this is respiratory system. Look at here in our lungs. Circulatory system, this one circulatory system, okay. Urine system, okay, this one immune system that protect our body, this is immune system. General nutrition, this one, and this one nervous system contain our nerves and brain and spinal cord, okay, this is nervous system. Structural system contain muscles and skeletal system. Digestive system contain intestine and stomach, and this one intestinal system, okay, students. That systems, all of them should work together. Do you see? Let me show you the video that how our systems work together. Look at this video, you will more understand how body work.
The systems of the human body.
Careful, careful, careful.
Pieces.
Oh!
Did you know that humans, as most animals, are also made of pieces?
Pieces?
These pieces
It means also our body made by a cells, okay? Our body also made by each single and combined together make, and then some cells together make it a tissue, okay? And some tissue make it an organisms, okay? Look.
are called organs, such as a heart, brain, skin. They each specialize in a concrete job. The heart pumps blood. The brain gives instructions to the other organs. The skin protects our body. The different organs work together, making up systems. Circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, bone system, muscular system. Systems are organized groups of elements that work together. In the human body, systems are groups of organs that perform vital functions, such as breathing, moving, eating, or that as well.
And there are lots of systems like those in the human body.
Yes, humans are made up of different systems. One of them is the bone system, made up by bones. Their job is to give a structure to our body and protect internal organs.
Oh, sorry.
The bone system works together with the muscular system that allows us to make movements such as walking, running, or moving other organs, such as the lungs that belong to the respiratory system. The function of this system is to obtain oxygen from air, transport it to our blood, and remove carbon dioxide. The digestive system has a similar job. It breaks down the food we eat to obtain the nutrients all the systems need to work properly. Oxygen and nutrients are transported to the blood and the different parts of our body thanks to the circulatory system. But nothing can move without the directions of the nervous system that controls and coordinates all the actions we carry out, sending and receiving signals throughout the entire body. Voluntary actions such as kicking a ball, and involuntary actions such as blinking or breathing. The different organs that make up each system need each other.
Do you see, students? Anyone these organisms need other systems to work together, okay?
And the different systems depend on each other to keep us alive.
And if a system does not work well...
Not necessarily. When a system fails, it affects our other systems and, in general, we get sick. Fortunately, we also have systems in...
Anyone of our systems are thick, we are thick and we should go into the doctor. But thanks for God, also we have an immune system that protects virus or bacteria. Look at that, how our immune system kill that bacteria. Look.
charge of repairs and our defenses.
This is immune system, okay, students? We have a white blood cells called immune system that protect themselves, the bacteria, the coronavirus, and the virus.
But we need to take care of our health to help them do their job. I'm sure you know simple ways to take care of your body.
But also you should keep yourself and wash your hands and eating the healthy food and brush your teeth.
The human body is a fascinating machine that should last our entire life.
Got it! The organs of the human body work in teams called systems that keep you alive. And all these systems make up the most amazing system of all, you! Oops!
you watch the video and you understand how our body work together. Okay, students, for example, let me show you how the our body work together. For example, as you can see, working together is important for living. Okay, organisms, cells work together to form what? Cells work together to form tissues. Okay, then tissues work together to form organs. Okay, organs also work together to form systems, and systems work together to keep you alive. Okay, to keep you alive. Look at your body now. Look at your body, how the systems work and keep you. For example, respiratory system. Okay, or look, touch your stomach. Do you see, do you feel? Touch your stomach or your heart, pumping the blood and transporting by the circulatory system and transporting the oxygen by red blood cell to other part. Okay, students, and let me show you some organs, how that work together. Look at this picture. Let me show you how they combine together and make it our systems. Look at that. Where is it? Sorry, and I will find. Okay, sorry, I will find. Look, this is muscle cell. This one, only one muscle cell, and some muscle are make it what? Make it muscle tissue. Do you see? And then organ. This is the place of urine, bladder, and then all of them together make it an organ system. Okay, kidney, and this is bladder. Do you see? That work together, and look at that. Students, look at this. For example, this is the connective tissue, only one, and then this is epithelial, and that one a path of the digested food. This is gland. Look, smooth muscle layer, network of the nerves. This is network of the nerves and blood vessels. All of them tissue are make it together and make it an organ. Do you see? All of them, we have some tissues are make it one organs. Okay, students, and then look at here in this picture, you will more understand. This is respiratory system. In our respiratory system, you have nasal passage, our nose. Okay, and then trachea. The tube is called trachea. Do you see? And our lungs. That organs together make it what? Make it respiratory system. And this is cardiovascular system. This is cardiovascular system because they have heart and blood vessel inside in our body. This is internal organs make it cardiovascular system that transport the blood in our body. And now I will show you the other system. For example, this is what? This is called digestive system. First of all, the digestive system starts in our mouth. You taking the food by your mouth, and then go to the stomach. Okay, go to the stomach, and then they leave some organs to break down this food by in the liver. Pancreas also that combine to the digestive system, and this is small intestine, and to release and remove that waste is by where? By large intestine. Okay, all that organs make it what? All that organs make it digestive system. How many organs are combined together to perform and make it the digestive system? Do you see how they work together? Okay, students, and we have all the system. Look, you should know how our body work together. First of all, as I told you, some cells make it a tissue. Do you see? And then some tissues are make it organ. Do you see? Make it one organ. This is small intestine, for example. And then some organs together make it a digestive system. For example, pancreas, and then small intestine, and large intestine, and our stomach, and then keep our body alive, call it organism. For example, human. Do you see? Human organism, that all our system work together. And this is, for example, look at here. This is one cell. Do you see? Do you see this? Not clear. Let me show you another one. Cells. Okay, do you see cells? For example, this one, heart muscle cell, this one heart muscle cell, and then tissue. This is heart muscle tissue, that one. Some cells make it the heart muscle tissue, and then organs. For example, our heart is one organ, make it by some tissue. Do you see? And then our heart, and then do you see organ system, and then organisms that protect it as keep alive. Do you see? And this one, cells and tissue and organ and organisms, or organ system and organisms. For example, human, that cells keep us alive. Do you see, student, how our body work together? Okay, students, the heart is another organ of the circulatory system. It is made of muscle tissue. Okay, student. For example, this one, blood vessels are one of a kind organ in the circulatory system. Okay, students. This one, these red blood cells are part of a tissue. Okay, part of a tissue. For a homework, I will send you one of the picture. You should draw in your notebook and send me. Okay, for this one. Okay, draw. I will send you by picture in the group. You should draw this picture. Okay, and write down the name under the cells, for example, and muscle tissue. Okay, students, I will send you this picture and write down the part and send me back. Okay, students, and you should know how the organisms and system work together. If you have any question and any comment, okay, ask me. But first of all, you should know and you should understand how the systems and our body work together. For next lesson, each system in different and only one system you will discuss. For example, the circulatory system. Okay, you will more understand. But now depend on you, and you should know how our system work together. Okay, students, until the next lessons. Have a good day. Bye bye.